In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new page in Google Docs in just seconds. Whether you're drafting a new report, writing a novel, or organizing your notes, knowing how to efficiently add a new page can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll first need to open your Google Docs document where you want to add a new page. Once you've got your document open, scroll to the exact spot where you'd like your new page to start. This is important because your new page will be inserted right at this point, so make sure your cursor is exactly where you need it. This might be in the middle of the content or at the end of a section, depending on your needs. Now, once your cursor is positioned, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll see a variety of menu options, and you want to click on the one labeled Insert. This menu offers a plethora of choices that can help you customize your document in numerous ways. As you're hovering over the Insert menu, move your mouse down to where it says Break. This is the key part. It's from here that we can add our new page. As you hover over Break, a side menu will appear with more options. Among these, you'll find Page Break. Click on Page Break and voila! A fresh blank page is instantly added to your document. It's as simple as that. You now have a new page ready and waiting for your content, and you can continue typing without interruption. This method is quick and easy, making your document management tasks much more efficient. By using the Page Break feature, you ensure that your document remains neatly organized, allowing for clean and segmented sections, which can be especially useful for professional reports or creating structured documents. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add new pages to your Google Docs document in just a few simple steps. Don't forget, this tool can be incredibly powerful for maintaining the flow and structure of your work. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Google Docs and other handy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy writing.